Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 20. 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta, which is equals to 4 tan theta secant theta. Write question carefully on your notebook with your marker or with your black pointer or marker. Dear students, write the question and then put the solution. Consider, again we will consider the left hand side of the equation. The left hand side of the equation is 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Dear students, once again you can observe that we have two fractions and we have the minus sign between these two fractions, means we are going to find the difference of these two fractions. So in case of the fraction, whenever we have the value of we have the sign of plus or the minus, then we will take the LCM. So according to the LCM, write the product of the both denominators as there and make a single denominator, 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. And once again, according to the LCM method, beta 1 minus sine theta will be cancelled by 1 minus sine theta, and this one will be multiplied by this numerator, and then we can get 1 plus sine theta whole square minus, then move to the next fraction, 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, both will be cancelled, and this 1 minus sine theta will be multiplied by 1 minus sine theta, and after that we will get 1 minus sine theta whole square. Dear students, you know that now we have two formulas, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. According to this, my dear, according to this we will use the formula, and then we will get 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta, means 1a plus 2ab, ab and then square of b square, minus a square minus 2ab and then b square. According to this we will get 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta. And here is also the third formula, a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, means square of the first value and minus square of the second value. By using all these three formulas, we will take the square of these values, and then we will remove the bracket now. 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta, write as it is, and then since there is negative sign before the start of the bracket, that's why it will change all the sign inside of the values which are inside the bracket. So we can get minus 1 plus minus minus plus 2 sine theta minus plus minus sine square theta. Plus sine square theta and minus sine square theta will be cancelled with each other, and plus 1 minus 1 will also be cancelled. And now we will get 2 plus 2 equals to 4 sine theta divided by cos square theta, because this is also the identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and from this we can get the 1 minus sine square theta equals to cos square theta. Use this identity with its reference, and then we will get 4 sine theta divided by cos square theta. Since this is cos square theta, so we can write this one separately like this, cos theta into cos theta. And we can get 4 sine theta by cos theta into cos theta. You know that, my dear students, sine by cos equals to tan and 1 by cos equals to secant. So we will write this 4 tan theta into 1 by cos, means secant theta. And since this is the right hand side of the question, 4 tan theta into secant theta, so hence we verified our result, and this is the right hand side.